What's going on, everybody? Chance got him here, aka Sharpshooter on the Swipe Trades app. This is the last update for Eurnzd because it did come all the way up here and hit take profit 3. So, guys, just a quick breakdown of what this is. If you guys have not been on our IMLtv channel, this is a pink. That means it's a monthly trend line. So a monthly trend line that I was waiting for price to come back up to, which it did perfectly. You can see it came all the way up to 7,300, but you know, this is where I wanted to put my TP, because what I hate to happen is if I put my TP up here and it did reverse off this trend line, you know, it would have been in a very bad position. So risk to reward on this trade total was 1 to 6.75. So really good risk to reward on this trade. And guys, to set up real quick again, if you guys didn't see it, and then also I'm going to explain how to manage your stop profit, because it's something that if you didn't put your stop profit in the right place, it would have got hit. I told you guys where to put it, and it was in the right place, thankfully. So I'm going to walk you through this trade. So essentially, I talked about the entry already, but we got in the entry right here because of this solid level. This solid level right here, this green line, you can see if you look back, it is held, and it is a very, very solid level. I also did back testing, guys. I did back testing. So I made a new video that we give away on our IMLtv channel, that I have a list just like this. So you can see Eurnzd, I can enter from 2:30 to 3:15. Then move normally comes about 4. So that's Central Time. And let's see right here where we got in. 2:30. 2:30 is exactly when we got in this trade. So right here is 2:30, and then 3 o'clock, and then the 4 o'clock candle was actually after this pullback. I actually made this pullback, 4 o'clock hit, and then it went up perfectly, just as I was expecting from a time frame. So just so you guys can see that a little better, let me move this over for a sec. So you guys see at the bottom of my screen right here, the bottom of the screen, it's got this slider. And actually, let me mark it this way so you guys can see it even better. So right here is 2:30. This is when I start looking at the market. And then right here is 4 o'clock, when the move's probably going to start happening, which it did right here perfectly. Made that move up. So this was our entry window, which is exactly the trading time that I have set. You guys see right here. Whoop, wrong button. Right here. So I have this for all my pairs. You can see I have it broken down for the time frames for all my pairs. And I have a video that goes over exactly how to do this. So all you guys got to do is hop in the Facebook Messenger list for our IMLtv channel. There's actually a link in the description. And then just type in testing. And there's a 37-minute video that I put together that'll tell you exactly how to find the exact time to be trading your pair. So this was that time window that I wanted to trade in, and look at that. That's where the perfect entry came from. So this is one thing that helps me not get faked out, because a lot of people might have been seeing a sell right off this level, which at the time I saw too, but then I saw pull back, and I knew that the time was coming. I knew my trading window was coming. So right when my trading window happened, I was right here on the money in the spot where I wanted to get in, put the buy in right here. And then you guys can see what happened from here. So we got the buy-in right here, breaks above. This is where TP1 was, hits TP1, breaks all the way up to TP2, and then it makes this pullback. Now, again, here's where the stop profit is very, very important. So this is where the stop profit was, up here at 27. So first stop loss was here, and then once it broke this structure and went to this high, we moved it all the way up to here, because look at this. If it was going to reverse and break this level, so this other green level right here, which you can see it broke down, came and retested perfectly twice, and then launched to the sky to go hit TP3, if we would have had this above here, it makes no sense, right? Because this is another floor. To confirm for the buy, price has to come back to here. This would have been a re-entry if you guys like stacking into your trade. You could have entered again right here. It's perfect. No drawdown, right back to the T. But if you would have had your stop profit there, you know, you would have been in trouble. So we want to keep it a smidge under that line. And you can see this line's actually a 0, so 30. I always make sure my stop losses or stop profit always end in a 5 or a 7. That's something we talk about on our IMLtv channel a lot. So right here at 27 would be the perfect stop profit, which it was, rejected here, and then shot up to TP3. And again, this is on the monthly level. So let me show you guys. Let's go to the monthly real quick. This is a monthly trend line. And again, guys, I don't trade off the monthly, but look at this. One touch, another touch here, wicks, 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 another touch there. So this is a solid trend line. And then look at this, you know, hop down to the hour chart, and it did get respected perfectly. I mean, it came up right to that trend line, rejected off of it. So that's our TP3. Now, guys, we're intraday traders here. So me and Sam, we watch the charts, you know, every single London session. So all I'm waiting for now is just simply this, something that looks like this. You know, here will be like another level, and then if I'm gonna buy this, I'll buy it again tonight. You know, I'll watch for the same move tonight. If price goes like this, boom, I'll enter for the buy. It's all good. I'll call the swipe trade. Everything will keep buying it. I don't want to hold this entire trade. I want to get out with a lot of my money, get another full entry back in, and enter right in this time slot where the perfect pullback is going to be. So, you know, price might pull up. 230 comes around. If 230 comes around and it's sitting right here to 230 to 3, I'm buying that thing to the moon. And if it does, you know, start breaking back down, we'll see what happens for London session. But it was a solid, good risk to reward. That's always the number one thing we want to look for. So 1 to 6.75. That's really good risk to reward. And guys, profits in the bank. So that's amazing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this training. Like I said, if you guys want to learn how to do this, if you want to learn how to get this exact thing, check the description. I'll put all the information in the description below so you can figure out exactly what time you should be trading what pairs. Trust me, guys, this was a big aha moment for me. I just had it a couple days ago when I was back testing really, really hard. I found that in most cases, in most pairs, you can find a little window that those pairs are going to set up at the same time every single day. And I found that for my pairs, and I think you guys should find that as well for your pairs. So that's TP3 hit for your Eurnzd. Sorry we didn't get any more trade setups out last night. You guys know we want to get out 2 to 3, but we're going to keep working on it. The setups weren't there last night. We got this one good setup on our pairs, and we got a lot more to come, guys. The week's only halfway over, so we got still another half this week to come, so make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to do our weekly outlook videos as well today. So see you guys all on IMLtv, and then again, if you guys want to learn how to do this kind of stuff, check the description. I'll get you guys the link and everything as well. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys real soon.